Imagine today is the first day of your retirement. What's on your schedule? A foreign vacation? Some do-it-yourself work around the house? Maybe a relaxing day at the cottage. I'm Derek Cooper, a senior investment advisor with TD Wealth here in Kingston, where we work to help you achieve your vision of retirement. But we also recognize that those retirement goals can change. Maybe you will find being a grandparent more fun than travel. Maybe your rewarding work as a volunteer won't leave much time for the cottage. You might decide that home you plan to fix up is too large for you anyway. As an investment advisor, one of my goals is to help you be ready for change. At TD Wealth, we do that by mapping out what's possible today, then recalibrating when needed as you move towards retirement. Retirement is supposed to be about freedom, doing what you want to do. Call me at 613-549-9008 and we'll talk about how you can achieve freedom in a world full of change.